Hello and welcome to Unbox Nation. We have the Philips LED desk light here. Model number is 61013 and it is called Philips Air. It is available in two colors, black and white. The one we have is the black one. It has 20 LEDs. I think using 20 LEDs instead of one 5W LED helps in sleek design, and also the use of multiple LEDs minimizes the shadow because the light source is spread over a certain length. It's a 5W LED with 250 lumen output. A normal 5W LED bulb gives an output of around 500 lumen. So comparatively the light output on this is low. Cost wise it keeps hovering around 1000 on Amazon India. The packaging is simple and neat. Inside the box we find the desk light. Nothing else is required as the power wire is permanently attached to the light. The light is made of plastic, has matte finish with subtle texture. The plastic itself is black. It is not a color, so even if it gets scratched, it's going to remain black. There is rubber padding on the bottom and we can also see some metal support inside. The on-off switch is on the back, which I feel is somewhat inconvenient. The switch feels and clicks properly but looks cheap. This is how it folds and opens. This part which has the light opens completely and goes in line with the vertical arm, but the vertical arm is limited to around 90 degrees from the base. This is as far as the vertical arm can open. The arm with the LEDs is too loose and feels flimsy, and the vertical one is tighter than I'd prefer. These can probably be adjusted as there are screws, but as it is, it doesn't feel sturdy. The holes are probably there for ventilation. The white covering conceals the 20 LEDs and also helps diffuse the light. And there are a few holes again towards the end. This is how the light looks on the table. It looks sleek and nice, but definitely not premium. I wish the switch is located somewhere on the front for easy access. The top side of the lamp has a mix of glossy and matte finish, which looks good too. While I like the light, I think the quality is not adequate for the price. I switched on the light and the lighting looks good even though it is daytime now. Now this is at night, and as you can see the lighting is sufficient for a table lamp. It is good enough for a study table, which is the purpose I bought it for. As a table lamp it does a good job. My only complaint is the quality we are getting for 1000 rupees. It is not bad as such, but I think it can be better. Having said that, there aren't many options in this price range. So if you are looking for something in this price range, you can consider this. As it is from Philips, it should be safe and reliable. If you can go for a higher price, there are more options from Philips and other brands too. All in all, this is not a great product but a good product. That's all about this Philips desk light. See you in the next video of Unbox Nation.